Hi, I'm Brittany.
And I'm Katie.
So you're considering a move? Maybe your home is too large now, or you're just tired of climbing the stairs every night to go to bed. Or maybe you're looking for something new and modern with less upkeep while still being close to your family and friends. Let's see if Cottages of Bear Creek is what you had in mind. Do you desire a home with an open layout where you can put an end to trekking up and down the stairs? Here you can have everything on the main level.
Plus, your bedroom with an ensuite bath and walk-in closet is conveniently located near your oversized laundry room for laundry days made easy.
Family and guests will always have a place to sleep over with the extra bedrooms our homes provide. And flex rooms mean you can still have your home office, craft room, or even a formal dining space, whatever works for you.
A modern open kitchen with expansive island and included appliances means hosting the holidays or having friends and family over is easier than ever. Plus, with energy-efficient appliances, you'll save money on utilities and say goodbye to repairs and endless maintenance.
Life at Cottages of Bear Creek means you'll have more time for you. With beautiful cottage-style exteriors and all of your lawn mowing and maintenance taken care of for you. You'll have more time for traveling, visiting family, or just doing the things you love without having to worry about maintaining your home.
And there's no shortage of everyday conveniences or enjoyable things to do nearby. Enjoy all that Columbia and Spring Hill has to offer when you call Cottages of Bear Creek home. Here, you're just 5 miles from I-65, making it easy to access Franklin, Cool Springs, and anything you need in Williamson County, especially when you want to visit the family for the day.
And for everyday needs, you never have to be far from home. Just 3 miles away is US 31, where you'll enjoy grocery shopping, access to medical facilities, and outdoor recreation at Riverwalk Park. Plus, just 5 miles from home is the historic downtown Columbia Square, with plenty of local restaurants, boutiques, shops, and more for a day out on the town.
So, does Cottages of Bear Creek sound like a place you'd like to learn more about? Take the next step and come visit us. We can't wait to welcome you home.